Hey guys! In today's video we'll be playing Clash Royale and, yeah. So we're gonna place, yeah. So here we go, we're gonna win. And if you lose this game, guys, we're gonna have to bet up $1,500 on the chicken game, guys, okay? Because, yeah. So guys, in the next video, make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Because I said, and we're gonna make another place and we're now watching who's gonna spawn. So there's 2 logs gone right there. I placed my goblin ball. Look what it places. The goblins, like, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Come on, goblins or no goblins. Here we go, that's tower, that's our tower. GG's, I'm all that I play now. Out of the same thing. So bye.
Guys, since we lost that game, here's what we're going to do. We're going to put $500 on the chicken game with 1 mine. Well, actually, with 1 mine. Right, let's see what we get now. First we're going to clear out the middle row. Take this on out. And I lost all my money. I saw $1,000. So we do one more. We do one more. One more, guys, one more. Come on. So I did. We're gonna win this one. Come on. Come on. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We're leaving it at that. Yeah, we lost all the money.